To channel. In this video, I am back with multiple off-campus opportunities for 2026 batch. The first one is Honeywell and the second one is Red Hat. So let's start the video. First company is Honeywell. Honeywell is hiring for the role of software engineer one with a job description containing that they are looking for a freshers or entry-level DevOps engineers who is excited to learn and work on CI/CD automation. CI/CD means continuous integration, continuous deployment or development automation engineers with also cloud engineers, infrastructure fundamentals and DevOps productivity. Means they are looking for multiple opportunities and the ideal candidate must be comfortable with the Python scripting language. Means they mainly hire the people who know the Python programming language and also they may have contain knowledge about GitHub and GitHub actions using for building and maintaining the automation and workflows. The main responsibilities of the person they hire, like they have to build and maintain the CI/CD pipelines using GitHub actions. Means you have to must do using GitHub actions. Automative repetitive operational task using Python means they mainly hire the person who know mainly Python, not Java, not C# or not C++. Maintain repositories, branching practices, and releasing workflows using GitHub. Means you may have the complete knowledge about the GitHub. You have to create and manage, build or test or deploy workflows for application, and you have to write and maintain the documentation like runbooks, pipeline documents, deployment steps. You have to assist with monitoring or logging setup and basic incident troubleshooting. You have to collaborate with developers to improve build reliability and deployment consistency. You have to follow security best practices like secret management, and means you have to follow privacy rules. Means they mainly hire the person who have know the DevOps, GitHub and Python programming language. Qualifications. Let's come to qualifications. Means you have to know the basic programming language known as Python. You have hands-on experience like GitHub, like repos, branches, PRs, code reviews, like pushing, pulling the code to GitHub, adding the code to GitHub, like that. Means you may have hands-on experience with GitHub, and you have familiar with Linux fundamentals. Not only at Windows, you may have some knowledge about the Linux also. You may have understanding with CI/CD concepts such as building, testing, deploy stages, means DevOps also. Means and also you have good communication skills and willingness to team, means and you have to teamwork and also may have to learn the new technologies. And the main requirement of them is Python programming language. So this is all about the Honeywell software engineer role. I will give this link in the description. Let's move to the next. Red Hat. Red Hat is hiring for the associate software engineer training, and the location is Bangalore full time. And this is on-site, means not offline. About the job, the Red Hat is hiring for a trainee associate software engineer, and the location is Bangalore, and this may be contract based like six months from duration of June to December 2026, and mainly this is for 2026 batch. So you will work closely to senior mentors to gain technical knowledge and experience into your field, and they may cooperate and they teach you what to do and how to do in locally and globally. What will you do? Means the work you will do is you may work closely with a mentor to join with senior developers, develop, test, and maintain the code in Python, Golang, or similar programming language. This job is also mainly considered for Python only. They like you may work with adding new features, debug, identify and track issues in Red Hat products. Means they will teach you when you join the company. You may work with collaborative with the wider team members and other departments such as quality engineering, designers, product management. You may work with the multiple job roles. What will you bring? And this means qualifications. You may have the bachelor's degree in 2026 or 2025 batch in engineering or technology like CS, IS, like any branch is eligible. You may have the basic knowledge in software engineering, basic knowledge, are willing to use Python, Golang, or any other programming language. They mainly consider Python also. Willingness to learn and proactively work as a part of wider team is you may have eager to learn new AI tools, and you have to work in a teamwork. So this is all about the Red Hat trainee associate software engineer. So this is all about the two job opportunities, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will update daily job openings. Thank you for watching.